Hello everybody, today I'm going to be making Chef Pepperjack. We're going to go into the kitchen and hopefully get enough XP to get me back to full health.
Pumpkin pasta! It's a Skylander! We were all forced to work on the Zeppelin by that crazy chef Peperjack. The other cooks don't trust you yet, though. They're pretty high-strung, being cooks. But they might warm up to you if you can prove yourself at our Skystone Smash game. It's something we made up to temporarily escape the madness of this high-pressure kitchen environment. Here, I'll show you.
Ooh.
So, here it is. Skystone Smash! To win the game, you must reduce my health to 0. This is a Skystone. The swordy thingies show how much damage this Skystone does. The hearts show how much health it has. Your opponent always goes first.
Sheep creep.
There we go. Very nice. Okay, Smoky. Now it's your turn. Choose a Skystone to play.
Okay. Which one would be the best here? These two are pretty much the same. He has more health. Oh, I like Cuckoo Clocker more, so I'll put him first and try to save Cuckoo Clocker for later.
Try placing your Skystone here. Go ahead, don't be shy.
Cruiser.
Right. Now the Skystones are about to battle. Yours will win, but it will take 1 point of damage.
Sheep creep.
Oh, I have a second Cuckoo Clocker. I'll send out the Gulper to deal with him.
The Gulper.
Oh no! I don't have a Skystone here. That means your stone will do 2 points of damage to me.
Sheep creep.
And 3 Cuckoo Clockers. That's actually funny. Must mean I don't have a full deck if it's just reusing cards.
Sheep creep.
I'll try your hand against the other shoe shapes. Just remember, do not take anything we say personally. It's a very stressful job.
And that works for now. And all I have to say is, if you saw the last part, you know Deja Vu is a trooper. Absolutely clutched the bombshell fight.
So, Batterson says we can trust you.
But it'll take a little more than that to convince us.
Yeah, we weren't born yesterday here.
I haven't got anything to add. I do agree with my fellow sous chefs, though.
But if you beat me at Skystone Smash, we might consider possibly letting you in to see the big man himself.
Okay, change stones. we're gonna change out Chill Bill for no, Chill Bill is actually pretty good here. This deck is good.
Sheep creep.
Let's start with you.
Chompy mage. Heart boost.
Get some extra hearts in the early game.
Tussle sprout. Bruiser cruiser. Tussle sprout.
Let's deal maximum damage here and play you.
Dreadnought.
We'll get 4 damage. If he doesn't...
Bruiser cruiser.
Okay, we win. I'll play Chill Bill here because I've already won.
This is all over.
I actually really like the Skystones game. Here we go.
We meet again, Skylander. Hope you brought an appetite, because tonight on the menu, we serving you.
Chef Pepperjack.
Serve you. Ain't gonna cook you as a dinner, not serve you as if present the food to you. I can see how that would be confusing. Anyway, let's spice things up.
All I have to say is let him cook. Cause we ain't never letting him cook again. Oh shoot. You fought well, Deja Vu. You fought very well. Well, I have to say Chef Pepperjack can definitely cook. He just cooked Deja Vu in seconds. I'm gonna save my better Skylanders for later. Let's get out some of the weaker guys, like Bumble Blast. We're dead. We are dead.
Ourselves a real barbecue right here. More peppers is more pepper. extra spicy for you. Oh, pepper, oh, pepper. I make this extra spicy for you.
I am. Bumble Blast is a trooper right now.
Pick it up.
Absolute legends. I have absolute legends fighting.
Pick it up.
This may. Sorry, Bumble Blast, but this is definitely where you die.
Ooh, that's smart. You like
There we go. Goodness. My goodness, Bumble Blast. You are a trooper. Just like Deja Vu. Let's bring in Shroom Boom. And I just realized I could be using Bombshell too. I'm gonna use Bombshell to damage boost here.
Baby, I can slow things down here, Chief. No, I think I like it better the other way. I told you, Tot. Ooh, now, you got some fire in the belly there, I tell you what. Whole lot of pepper.
We can basically do nothing at long range.
Wow, that tastes good. Look like you wanted extra spicy. You like the heat?
Beyonce was nothing Shroom Boom could do there. We're having a soldier theme. He is not a soldier at all. Let's bring in Gil Grunt.
Fear the fish. Oh, wow, sizzling. I told you. You like it.
Oh, these. I don't like these peppers. Now it's personal, because he essentially insta-killed him. Now this is personal. Let's bring in someone who is gonna wreck this man.
Rock and roll.
I named him Archerdile, but this is Snapshot.
Way. Look like you wanted extra spicy sizzling. Just how I like it. Ooh, wait. I told her say we make this barbecue official and drop some burgers.
He's half health.
Up.
Armed and ready.
Oh yeah, now we cooking. Look like you wanted extra spicy.
Oh, there he goes.
You're looking a little peaky, Skylander. Call me in for reinforcements.
Let's bring Stealth Elf back in. I'll just say Dark Stealth Elf for now. Stealth Elf is dead. I need someone who can tank, because there's no way to avoid damage when I go back in. But let's get a Trap Master in. Or one of my good ones. I called him Trap Bot, but this is Jawbreaker.
Just how I like it. Now we push the fire at the inside. Yeah, now look like you want it extra, extra spicy. Hotter than hot. Oh my God! Wow, that tastes good. Just how I like it. Push the fire at the inside. Wow, yeah, now whole lot of pepper. Hotter than hot. Wow, that tastes good. Wow, yeah, fire at the inside. Hotter than hot. Wow, that tastes good.
I have no clue if my game is glitching or not. I'm just gonna get a long-ranged character, just in case my game is just glitching right now. There he is.
Start right.
Lobster.
You like it all. Push the fire at the inside. Look like you want it extra, extra spicy. Hotter than hot. Way. Wow, that tastes good. Push the fire at the inside. Look like you want it extra, extra spicy. Hotter than hot. Ooh, that smells. Wow, that tastes good. Just how I like it.
Once again, Lobster, he may have gone out, but he is the absolute goat of my collection. Like, you saw the damage he was putting in. Let's get another Skylander to hopefully clean up. You know, I'll make sure we clean up with this one. Nightlight.
Look like you want it extra, extra spicy. Whole lot of pepper. Ooh, that hotter than hot. Ooh, that.
Oh, that was not smart. I thought flying would avoid lasers. Let's bring in this Skylander.
What fucking shot. Ow.
I'll pause real quick. To go get. I'm gonna go look for a magic item. There it is.
Oh, that's it, good. Ooh, that's just how I like it. Oh, push the fire in the inside.
There. What?
Chef Pepperjack defeated.
One attack. That magic item had to have boosted damage. Boosted the damage.
You want the appetizer or the main course?
Let's put this man to rest. This is what you get for committing mass genocide against my Skylanders.
Don't know where I'm going, but I hope they got good barbecue.
Man, this guy's fat. He's thinking about barbecue as he's being put into prison.
Chef Pepperjack trapped.
I guess you the photo master chef now. You gotta pick the chef here.
Bounty claimed 1,500. Chef Pepperjack just got a stone.
More bad news, my queen. Now the Skylanders have Chef Peperjack.
Please, Majesty, let me go after the Skylanders before they make a mess of everything.
Yes, get rid of the Skylanders, finally! And I, Chaos, have the perfect and geniusly evil plan. First, we'll get...
Dr. Crankcase, how is work going on my ultimate weapon?
Oh, splendidly, my queen. I have constructed the weapon so that it can harness the ginormous energy of Traptanium. Soon, I'll have it up and running, and then...
I will have all the gold in the world!
Gold? Gold? That's it? That's your big plan?
Of course. What else is there?
I don't know. Let me think. Oh, yeah. How about ruling Skylands as its ultimate evil overlord?
I'd rather have the gold.
Not evil enough.
No, this girl's a gold digger.
You pushed me too far. I challenge
No pun intended, because it's the
you
Golden
an
Queen.
evil off.
Oh, that is rich. Please, tell us, what exactly is an evil?
Don't play coy with me. I challenge you to an evil duel for control over the Doom Raiders and all of Skylands. Winner takes all.
I want to thank you, Chaos. That was the most fun I've had in a long time.
Yeah. Oh, and don't worry about the troll. He'll be just fine with us. Winner take all and all that.
This is incomprehensible. How could this happen to me?
Chaos?
I actually find myself needing help. Help? I can't even say it, or barely think it. But I give myself no choice. Time for the unthinkable. No one will expect it. Not even me.
Don't worry about me. I'm gonna be awesome. I just need to wear this cast and maybe let you Skylanders take the lead on hero business for a while.
The important thing is that you guys caught the chef. He won't be able to haul any Traptanium back to his Doom Raider buddies for a long time.
What do they want with that traptanium anyway?
Yeah, don't know. But I might have something back at my old house that could tell us. I call it the information squid. And Callie, since Flynn here's got a bum leg, would you mind flying me and the Skylander out?
Wait, what?
Oh, and on the way, I can tell you all about a giant fish that lives out there too.
Great!
Oh, forgot this was on the portal. This will be the end of the video. We've captured Chef Pepperjack, and I'll show him off in the next video. Goodbye.